Welcome to Cryptography Source. Next generation of breaking news and updates on the cryptoverse. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to show your support for the new age of fintech. My name is Froya and here is today's blockchain update. As reported by Crypto Potato by Andrew Through November 14, 2021. Bitcoin may be the best inflation hedge around, cites 99.99% deflation, Bloomberg. Bloomberg analysis shows that Bitcoin is surging largely due to inflation fears, and is performing as intended. Bloomberg recently found that investors are protecting themselves from fears of rising inflation by using Bitcoin. In a tweet, the company even called it the best inflation hedge around depending on how one looks at it. Bitcoin beats inflation. After crunching the numbers, Bloomberg Opinions, John authors found that Bitcoin has achieved 99.996% deflation over the past 10 years. What cost 1 Bitcoin in 2011 now costs just 0.004% of a Bitcoin today. Meanwhile, the CPI has risen 28% in dollars during that time. Just days ago, Bitcoin surged to a new all-time following the release of US inflation numbers for October. Since last year, the CPI has risen by 6.2% across the country, the fastest rise since 1990. What's more, when using the 1980s measure for CPI, inflation has increased by closer to 15%. Bloomberg's economists estimate that roughly half of Bitcoin's recent price surge has been driven by inflation fears. The other half is due to momentum trading. Our model shows that for Bitcoin, the importance of inflation and hedging against uncertainty become more important drivers over time, accounting for 50% of price moves in the latest cycle relative to 20% in 2017, said Bjorn Van Roy and Tom Orlick. Why is Bitcoin an inflation hedge? Public recognition of Bitcoin as an inflation hedge is growing strong. Last month, billionaire hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones called the asset a better hedge than gold. JP Morgan views Bitcoin as valuable for the same reason. The association is unsurprising. While the US M2 money supply has increased by nearly 40% in the past 2 years alone, Bitcoin's monetary policy is fixed and decreasing. There will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin to ever exist, giving the asset trustworthy scarcity. However, Bloomberg acknowledges that Bitcoin has yet to gain enough trust to be counted as a guaranteed inflation hedge. Wilfred Day, head of Securitized Capital, still says gold is a better alternative, even though Bitcoin is a new sexy concept. Well now, that is the end of the article, link will be in the description box. Share your comments on this story. Do you think crypto is an inflation killer? Or do you think there is a hidden agenda behind this report? Thank you for tuning in.